Cooking with arnas. Cooking with arnas. So today on Arnas channel, we are cooking meatballs.
Yes, meatballs. Okay, the meatballs first.
Meatballs.
Ooh, that's a lot of
Very nice.
meatballs.
As it seems,
Ooh,
I'm
that's
kind
a
of
lot.
stuck.
As you see.
Wait, I'm gonna see that for later.
Yeah.
For
I
my
guess it
late
makes
night. Oh my. I'm too fat. Okay. Oh, never mind. Now.
Ooh, some
spaghetti.
Wait, let me just put some meatballs over there, because hopefully this looks really nice.
Yes.
Yep.
Wait,
Guys, look at it. Guys, look at it. Ooh, this looks nice. This looks very nice. Let me try some, yeah?
Yeah.
Nom nom nom. Oh, that's rank. That's disgusting.
Get out!